kitchen is a hot and messy place, but it's not been actually portrayed in the right manner, thus misleading the young generation which actually doesn't know what a kitchen culture is. The hard work and the sweat that is put behind this life is not being shown to these kids. The white jacket is termed as a superhero's jacket, but actually the sweat and the passion which is being absorbed by this jacket is not being shown. Each individual who wants to join this culinary industry wants to become a celebrity chef, but are we actually delivering the same? Too many opportunities today in hospitality industry is allowing the kids to climb the ladder so soon and so quick that it seems that we have forgot the actual valuing of the discipline and the technical basic knowledge which is required for the work in kitchen. So I would say, stop hashtagging the dish or hashtagging the chef. I would say go ahead and hashtag your passion, hashtag your sweat, and hashtag the white.